Good morning, class. So let's begin with some of the question answer, that is the multiple question. First question is, India has a federal system of government with a strong. You can see the answer. I have ticked unitary bias. And the second one question is, Lok Sabha member from UP is 80. Then what about the Rajya Sabha member? It is 31. Now question number 3. Who determines the salaries and allowances of the member of the parliament? Four options has been given. I won't take much time. The answer is it's a parliament itself. Okay. The correct answer is 1. Question number 4. How are the Rajya Sabha members elected? By the elected members of the State Legislative Assembly by means of proportional representation. Yes, it is the correct answer. Now turn the page and look at the another options also. No, these are not the correct answer. Option number 1 was the correct answer. Question number 5. What is the quorum to hold the meeting of the Lok Sabha? It is already that this is 1/10 of its total membership. The budget is also known as the annual financial statement. Who moves the no confidence motion? Obviously, the opposition party in the Lok Sabha. Why are the elections in India held by a secret ballot? Give reason. Vote cannot be tempered and voter cannot be influenced. No. Actually, vote can be cast without any fear. This is the correct answer. Complete the following analogy with respect to members of the Rajya Sabha. Elected 238, so nominated obviously it will be 12 because we know that number total number of the members will be in a Rajya Sabha is how many members can be 250. So question number 10, Champaran, the site of Gandhiji's first experiment in Satyagraha is located in the state of, obviously it's a Bihar. In 1917 he came to Champaran. Now question number 11. Both early nationalist and assertive nationalists spoke right and edited newspaper. Which section had a wider reach and why? Question is asking why, because the question option is 3. Assertive nationalist because they use vernacular praise as a medium. Now come to question number 12. The methods of the early nationalists are known as assertive agitation. No, it was a constitutional agitation method. Among these all four options. Complete the given analogy. Mahatma Gandhi dash Dadabhai Naroji Indian Association. So this was the institution started by Dadabhai Naroji Indian Association. So this is Natal Indian Congress started by Mahatma Gandhi in Africa. Who among the following presided over the historic Lahore session of 1929 of Indian National Congress? Obviously, it's Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, option number 1, and it was happened complete. They have demanded for the Purna Swaraj, okay, complete independence in 1929. That's why because this session is very much important. Who was Governor General of India when the Indian National Congress was formed in 1885? It was Lord Dufferin, and he was a friend of A.O. Hume. Okay. Which of the following was the result of the Great Uprising of 1857? Result, it's asking result. What happened after 1858? So it was end of the rule of the East India Company and the British Crown rule started. So the option number 2 will be correct. In violation of the SALT laws, Gandhiji started a movement called non-cooperation, Swadeshi movement, no, civil disobedience. So this answer is correct. Answer number 3, option number 3 is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 18. Nationalism is defined as a feeling of oneness that emerges then when people living in a common territory share the same what historical background, Political background, cultural values, correct. Religion will be not the option. So here we can see 1, 2 and 3. Option number 1 is the correct answer. This won't be the answer. Now turn the page and go to the next question. So many questions you have. Arrange the following historical events in the chronological order in their occurrence. So, non-cooperation, civil disobedience, and Chori Chora. So, what happened first? Non-cooperation movement. It happened 1920. Okay, so 1920 first number. Here in these two options, see how to find out this kind of question answer. So, first one here first and here first, and these two answer will be automatically disqualified. So, the second one Chora Chori, it happened 1922. The second option will be third. So this is the correct answer. And it happened civil 1930-32. So this will be the correct answer. The uprising of 1857 at Lucknow was led by, who led? Wazid Ali Shah? No. Asafuddallah? No. Begum Hazrat Mahal? Yeah. This is the correct. Begum Hazrat Mahal? Yes. Hazrat Mahal is the correct answer. The Lok Sabha may be adjourned in which of the following cases? After the day's business is over? Yes. For want of quorum? Yes. In case of the natural calamities. All these three options are correct. So, here the answer will be option number 4. What happened if a money bill is not returned by Rajya Sabha within 14 days? What happened? The bill will be sent to Lok Sabha for reconsideration? No. The bill is deemed to have been passed by both the houses of parliament. The bill will sent to the president for reconsider. No, no reconsideration. The bill considered as not passed. No, it won't. So the option number 2 will be the answer. The bill is deemed to have been passed by both the houses of the parliament. In case if money bill will be not returned by Rajya Sabha, then it will be considered as a passed one. Okay, no reconsideration in money bill. Now question number 23. Which of the following is not a financial power of the Union Parliament? Now see the financial power. The Parliament passes the Union budget containing the estimates of recipients and expenditure of the government for a financial year, the salaries and allowances of the MPs and MLAs. MPs and ministers are determined by the parliament. No tax can be imposed or money spent by the government. So, what will be the correct answer? What will be the correct answer? The correct answer, no tax can be imposed or money spent by the government. The salaries of the judges of Supreme Court are determined by the parliament. No, this is not the correct answer. Okay, it's a not. So, Supreme Court judge's salary, it's not determined by the parliament. So this will be the correct answer. Rest of the things it is decided by parliament. Next question, Dadabhai Naroji listed the following reasons for India's poverty: home charges, money sent by the British professionals to England, India's population growth, flow of British capital in India. So what is the correct, what will be the correct answer? Now choose the correct option from the quotes given below. What will be the answer? Question number 1, question number 2 will be the absolutely correct answer. So let's see. Only 1, 2, India's population growth, flow of British capital in India. 1, 2 and 4. I think only 1 and 2 will be the answer. Flow of British capital in India, it was not there, and population growth, this is also not the answer. From the given list, identify the aim of the Indian National Congress at its first session. What was the aim? To promote friendly relationship between nationalist political workers from different part of country. Yes, it is correct. Second, to formulate policies for the government. No, it's not the correct answer, because first meeting they don't have the policies, and they wanted to gather themselves to train and organize public opinion against the British, to develop and consolidate the feelings of national unity irrespective of caste. Yes, it is correct answer. So let's see first and fourth. Where is the first and fourth option? Yes, first, second and fourth. No, second will be absolutely, it's wrong. So second will be not the answer. This answer is wrong. Uh, Rest of the three we have to choose. Only three and four. Three, three, three. No. First will be definitely answer and fourth will be definitely answer. Rest about three. So here option is not according to that. So option number three will be the correct answer. Now come to the next question. Choose the correct option to match the following. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Raja Ram Mohan Roy give to monothesis. That means one man, one god. Okay. So A number three. Here is the option. First answer. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. It's the Arctic home of Vedas. He has written a book. The book name is the Arctic. So B. You can see the four. Lala Lajpat Rai. To call to young India. Yes, this is the correct. And Surendranath Banerjee, nation in the making. So option number one is the correct answer. You have seen that how I am choosing the correct option. Now come to the question number 27th. It's a paragraph based question. You can read the paragraph also. Police and a party of followers of Mahatma Gandhi engaged in a scuffle on the beach of this morning, while volunteers engaged in the civil disobedience campaigning were collecting salt in defense of the government monopoly. While so engaged, the police arrived and demanded the salt, which the volunteers refused to hand over. While the alter, altercation was in progress, a number of villagers arrived at the beach and also began to collect salt. Police then arrested the captain of the volunteers and others who had told the volunteers not to give up their salt. In this, in the scuffle which followed, two nationalists were reported slightly injured. This is a press cutting of a newspaper. You can see a newspaper in USA, April 7th, 1930. Which moment is being referred to in this newspaper article? It was civil disobedience movement. Okay, we are now about to end. So the second question is, name the resolution passed by the Congress just before this moment. Now see, this is a event in 1930, and right just 3 4 minutes before, I have told you about a moment in 1929. Which moment? It was Purna Swaraj. You can see in 1929 Lahore session, Purna Swaraj. Other than other than defense of salt law, the movement involved which of the following programs? Boycott of liquor, boycott of British goods of all kinds, non-payment of taxes and revenues. So it is one, two, three, all three. Okay. Now question number 28, you can see the picture. You can easily find out, identify the person in the picture. It's obviously Subhash Chandra Bose. Name the army under his command. Which army? British Indian Army? No. Indian National Army? Indian Independence Army? So it was Indian, INA, Indian National Army. Which of the following were the objective of this army? What was the objective? To organize an armed revolution and to fight against the British army? Of course, it was to organize a provisional government of free India and to mobilize Indian manpower and money to end the world war. No, this was not the answer. So one and two, option one and two, where is yes? In option number one only we have one and two. So students, you have how many questions you have? Okay, 28 question from the history part and the civics part 2. Now I'll bring more and more videos for you. Please practice it and practice it. Read, study, learn and practice. Okay. Thank you students.